Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the alopecia ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about wigs from the perspective of someone who's a daily wig wearer since about the age of 7, and I've had alopecia since about the age of 2. In today's video, I'm really excited to bring you a full Barbie tutorial, starting from the makeup and of course going into the wigs and some fantastic Barbie themed outfits, especially following after the live action Barbie movie that's just coming out. The wig that I'm wearing now is of course going to be one of the wigs that I use for my Barbie look at the end of this video. This is Angelica in the color Creamy Blond, which is so gorgeous and versatile for so many different Barbie looks. But first, let's go ahead and jump right into the makeup. I already have my primer, foundation, and concealer done, so now I'm going to go in for that sun-kissed look with some bronzer and blush. For this look, I'm going for a look more inspired by the live-action Barbie movie that's coming out this week, but of course you can also do a more cartoonish look. We do have a whole other video on our channel that is more of a cartoon classic Barbie makeup look as well. For the blush and bronzer, I'm going for a bit more of a sun-kissed look by kind of putting it mostly on top across the bridge of the nose. Next, moving on to brows. For this video, I'm going to try to match Margot Robbie's brows from the movie to try to create a very similar look to how she looks in the live-action movie. She has a bit more of a fluffier brow than I usually use, so I'm just going to go in with this e.l.f. pencil and feather in a slightly thicker brow than usual. Then I'm going to go in with this NYX Professional Lift and Snatch pen, which gives it a little bit more dimension. To give the makeup more of a luminous doll-like look, I'm also going to add these e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands with blush and contour. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of translucent setting powder to set the T-zone and to set the foundation and concealer. I wear black liquid eyeliner almost every single day, but because I'm trying to stay true to Barbie's makeup look in the live-action movie, I'm going to use a bit more of a brown eyeshadow look with brown eyeshadow and brown liner instead, which is definitely going to be hard for me, but I think we can do it. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this brown in the crease. I'm going to add this lighter shimmer in the inner corner. And then just a bit of this peach color across the whole lid for a little bit of a Barbie pink look. Then I'm going to go in with some brown liquid eyeliner instead of black. Just a tiny bit of a cat eye. I also added a little bit of that brown eyeliner on the bottom lash line to create the effect of having bottom eyelashes, just since I have alopecia and don't have bottom lashes of my own. If you do have your own eyelashes, you can also just wear brown mascara. I'm also going to go ahead and take my eyebrow pencil and use it as a brown eyeliner and define the bottom part of my eye a bit more. Next, we're adding a simple nude lip liner and pairing it with a pink gloss. Next, we're going to go in and add a pair of lashes. For this look, I'm going to go for more of a dramatic doll look, just to match more of a Barbie doll look. But if you want to stay closer to the movie look, you can also go with a pair of lighter lashes, because in the live-action movie, she tends to wear kind of a lighter look with lighter mascara as opposed to a dark black mascara. Now I'm just adding a bit of black eyeliner just to blend the lashes in with the look and make them look more natural. And then we're going to finish off the look with just a little bit of highlighter on the high points of the cheekbones, on that brow bone, and on the tip of our nose, and a little bit on the nose bridge. And that's it for the finished Barbie makeup look. Now let's move on to adding a classic Barbie wig. For more of a retro, shorter Barbie look, we have Levy from the Amore Collection in Seashell Blond-R, which is an absolutely gorgeous blonde, perfect for a Barbie look. This wig is absolutely gorgeous for more of a retro Barbie look, and this blonde is so perfect for a Barbie color, especially if you're looking at the live-action Barbie movie, where you have Margot Robbie playing Barbie. She sometimes, in some of the shots, seems to have a little bit of a light root. So as you can see, Seashell Blond-R has a really nice, subtle root to it there. And because this is from the Amore Collection, you have that really natural looking monofilament hairline, monofilament cap, which allows you to change the part in any direction and have it look like it's growing out of your own scalp. In a lot of the outfits in the Barbie movie as well, she has bangs, so these bangs are a really nice match for the movie look as well. The Barbie movie looks like it's going to have so many fantastic outfit options with different accessories. So I thought this wig would look really nice with a pink sun hat or with the classic Barbie movie visor as well. So that works really well for so many of the different looks that she wears in the movie. And for the next Barbie wig option that I'm going to show in this video for a Barbie look is Angelica in the color Creamy Blond, which in my opinion is just a completely perfect style and color combo for a Barbie look. This style would also look so perfect with all the different Barbie movie looks, with that visor and again with that sun hat. It would just look so cute with that pink kind of western outfit that she wears with the cowboy hat, because she has those gorgeous layers that you can see peeking out underneath the hat. And if you kind of move the part to the middle with this wig, it almost matches her hair in that scene exactly. And that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below which of these Barbie looks that I showed in this video was your favorite, and let me know which of the two wigs that I showed in this video was your favorite as well, between Angelica and Levy from the Amore Collection. If you want to learn more about either of these wigs that I showed in this video, you can view them both on reneofparis.com, and you can also see all of the different color options that they're available in. Don't forget to follow us on both YouTube and Instagram to stay up to date on all of our latest releases, and to follow us for more wig tips and tutorials. Thank you again for watching this video, and we'll see you next time!